Et salut à tous et à toutes, je suis Seros et bienvenue dans ce nouvel épisode de Firewatch. Dans les épisodes précédents, nous avons découvert que peut-être les deux filles que nous avions trouvées dans le premier épisode sont à portée disparues dans cette forêt et que, étant donné que j'étais la dernière personne à avoir interagi avec eux, je risque d'avoir des problèmes. Quoi qu'il en soit, Delilah, au bout de 15 jours, me réveille en plein milieu de la nuit et on se demande bien pourquoi. Delilah, s'il te plaît, dis-moi que c'est une bonne nouvelle.
What do you want?
Hey, you big dumb idiot.
Oh fuck.
Babe, it's late.
I know it is. You sound tired.
Oh fuck.
I am.
Oh fuck.
Are you having a nice time?
I don't know. There's some weird stuff going on.
Oh, that's too bad.
I'm sure it'll be fine.
Well, I'll let you get back to sleep then.
Okay, Jules.
Delilah seems nice.
Sure.
Bye, baby.
C'est bizarre? C'est normal? Elle était censée l'appeler ou pas? Ou il a complètement halluciné là? Je peux regarder la carte finalement? Tu veux que j'aille là-haut? Pourquoi
Is
faire?
it too much of a pain in the ass to bring supplies all
Ah,
the way up
fuck
to
you.
Towers?
Well, I get my stuff hand-delivered.
Oh, how's that work?
It's the perks of a decade of service. You're out hiking in 90-degree heat, and I get to do crosswords. Isn't life miserably unfair? Anyway, when you find a supply drop, remember it's
ça
not
a
just for
brûlé
you,
ici.
okay? Other lookouts, biologists, a few people get their food there, and I don't want to have to call in for more. There should be loads of good stuff, though. Beans, prunes, jerky. You know, my sister eats 6 prunes a day. 6. She's, like, really precise about it. She'd be great at this job if she didn't need wheelbarrows full of marijuana to function.
Sérieusement quoi. Oh bordel. What?
So, like, 2 weeks ago, you called me in the middle of the night? You were sleeping, I guess, and all I heard was the name Jules through the mumbles.
J'en étais sûr.
I just thought it was so sweet. I wanted to wake you up, but then I thought maybe you were having a nice conversation and I'd just be spoiling it. I hope you're doing okay, you know, when it comes to her.
I shouldn't be out here.
Yes, you should.
No, I just ran away from my problems.
No, you didn't. We all fuck up. Look. So, a couple of months before I took this job, I was with this guy, Javier. Ugh, he's incredible, caring, sexy as hell. He was a driller down in Casper.
Ok.
We dated for almost 5 years.
Ah ouais quand même.
I was working with the Wyoming Outdoor Leadership School, and I was obsessed with it. I wanted to be an instructor so badly. And I was sure I was going to marry Javier as soon as I could be bothered. Walls was also a good excuse to get out of town, drink whiskey in the mountains, cut loose. Then, Javier's brother got killed working in Gillette, and for some reason, I didn't come home. Javier said it was fine. He'd go to the funeral, take care of his mom, stuff like that. It'd be easier solo. When he came back, he left me. I came out here, I lied, and told my sister he fucked our neighbor.
D'accord.
I've just lied about it for over 10 years. And, for some reason, I wanted you to know.
Ok. Pas de soucis.
I figured you've told me so much about you, so, you know, there's something about me. We both fucked up.
On en a découvert un petit peu plus sur elle quand même. C'est plutôt. J'aime beaucoup en fait. Le fait qu'on découvre autant sur ces personnages. Ils deviennent très proches de nous en fait de cette façon. Je suppose qu'on doit aller vers le truc vert. Vous vous rappelez en fait dans les épisodes précédents, j'avais découvert une espèce de cache gigantesque avec avec les noms de nos trucs dessus en fait. Donc je suppose que c'est là qu'on doit aller. Peut-être pas ici. C'est en bas, en fait. Ouais, je vous ai dit que je me dirigeais très mal, en fait, dans les jeux. Et même en réalité. Donc, voilà. Ah bah, c'est ici. C'est ici. Ravitaillement. Et...
Found the supplies.
Oh, good. Enjoy.
Mais je vais pas ramasser ceux des autres.
All right, I got everything I need out of here. Time to chow down.
Just yours, right?
Who do you think I am?
Hein? Wouh! C'est tout? D'accord, bon, en fait on en a appris plus sur Delilah. Mais je suppose que je peux peut-être... Oh fuck!
You've got a front row seat for what might be the biggest fire of the year.
Fuck.
Really going.
I'm gonna call it in. They'll send in a hotshot crew for some suppression, but I bet we'll be stuck with her for the rest of the summer. And she doesn't have a name yet. I usually think of something funny or something practical or a little risque when coming up with them. But why don't you do the honors?
On va l'appeler... Le paltroquet?
Maybe we call it the Flapjack Fire. Can you sell that as a name?
You really like that, huh?
Ouais, j'adore.
I said I did. It's funny.
Fair enough. Flapjack Fire it is. They'll probably ask me if it was a camp cooking accident or something.
Ça veut dire quoi en fait concrètement? C'est qu'il y a des incendies qui durent un an,
So
genre?
there's this creek down the hill, and you know what my favorite thing to do is?
Je t'écoute.
What's that?
I love to take a bottle of whatever I have on hand, plunge it deep into the water, and let it chill in there all day.
Ok.
And then, on nights like tonight, when it is so disgustingly hot, I have something nice and cool to drink.
Huh.
I learned that from my sister in Santa Fe. She'd do that with a bottle of tequila near her house and make margaritas the size of your head. You'd like it there.
Oh,
If
oh,
I was
oh.
there with you, I'm sure I would like it a lot.
Comment
Are you looking at the fire?
Yeah, I am.
I love how they look at night. During the day, it's just smoke, but when the sun is down, you can just get lost.
Ça fait...
Yeah.
Genre en fait on a...
Glad you're here.
Why do you say that?
Because I do. I'm not crazy. I mean, we've had such a good time, right?
Yeah, I think so.
I don't talk to the other lookouts as much as I talk to you. Not in the same way.
Ah,
I know you're not really available, but I want you to know, well, maybe it'd be nice to get together at the end of the summer.
Ouais, pourquoi pas.
Mm,
Mais... Ah oui, mais Sakra, il est marié, putain.
Even talk about it. I'm just having the thought.
Ok,
I
d'accord.
wish I was over there.
Ouh, ouh. Allez, moi.
It'd be nice to be near somebody.
J'ai rien répondu en
We
fait.
could talk about these radios. We could, you know,
what? What could we do?
well, let me tell you.
J'ai pas entendu. T'as tout le monde. Qu'est-ce que tu vas dire? Qu'est-ce que tu vas dire?
You're going fishing without a license?
It's one fish, and I'm sick of all the stuff I got to eat.
No, I won't tell anyone you're a poacher. That reminds me, I keep hearing reports from Fish and Game about a problem bear they're trying to keep tabs on. Can you search around the lake for fresh tracks and just let me know what you find?
Ok.
There was a crew burning fire lines out to the east.
Donc c'est encore le raton laveur.
You know, I think sometimes it riles up the wildlife.
Does problem actually mean murderer? Like how Charles Manson is a problem cult leader?
Oh, come on. You just have to look for tracks. That's it.
Yeah, well, I've seen what they can do to a tree, and trees aren't even food.
Thank you, Henry.
Yeah.
J'adore. Franchement, j'adore vraiment l'ambiance qui se dégage entre ces deux-là. La relation qu'ils ont, qui évolue au fur et à mesure des jours, est assez intéressante. Et on a l'impression que Henry, il devient un petit peu plus heureux quand même au fur et à mesure. Hé, Kitwick, qu'est-ce que tu fais? Et c'est Kitwick, c'est le chat en fait, il vient de grimper sur la fenêtre. Kitwick, descends de là. là. J'ai pas envie de descendre, Seros. Laisse-moi tranquille. Ouais, c'est ça, ouais. Je te vois, là. Tes grands yeux verts, là. Il faut les surveiller, les petits chats, hein, parce qu'en fait, ils font des bêtises, après. C'est n'importe quoi. T'imagines, en fait, je pêche, en fait, je trouve le cadavre des canards.
Someone left their clipboard out here.
Huh. It could have been one of the Fish and Game folks. See if there's a name or a credential or something. I can call it in.
Alors. Drunk again?
What the... it's... Holy shit.
Biggest
What's
fire of
going
the
on?
year.
You didn't
Oil
actually find a
going.
bear, did you?
I don't talk to the lookout.
Someone has written down what we said to each other, have been saying.
That doesn't make any sense.
I don't talk to the other lookouts as much as I talk to you, not in the same way.
No way.
Si.
Wait, hold on. Something's out here.
Henry? I'm worried.
Moi aussi, je suis inquiet. Il y a des trucs mystérieux là qui se
You didn't
passent.
find and eat any mushrooms, did you? I mean, they can be fun, but also, you know, devastating.
Il y a une radio. Il y a une radio.
Regardless, just let me know, okay, Buckaroo?
I found a walkie-talkie out here, too.
Okay.
It's going shithouse.
Oh putain, j'ai eu peur. Non, Henri. The fuck?
Henry? Are you there? What happened, Henry?
Holy hell, I got hit in the head. Punched or something by someone.
Are you serious? What the hell is going on out there?
I don't know. Jesus Christ.
Let me get this straight.
Ça
You
fait peur,
found
putain.
a clipboard with, what, transcripts of our conversations?
C'est
What
ça.
else is on it?
I don't know. It's gone, along with the radio of theirs. Somebody out here could have just killed me, Delilah.
I don't... What the fuck is going on?
What's Wapiti Station?
I don't know.
I saw the name Wapiti Station right before I was cold-cocked. Does Wapiti Station mean anything to you?
C'est quelque part aussi, c'est loin, c'est pas?
Wapiti Meadow. Maybe it's Wapiti Meadow. It's on our maps. It's not too far from where you are right now. It's where you saw that damn fence. It's north of the lake. It looks like there should be a trail somewhere on the north shore of Jonesy Lake.
Ok, d'accord.
I'll start hiking that way now. God damn it, my head.
Eh, c'est cool parce que même sans la carte, en fait, je peux me diriger un petit peu.
You saw what you saw, Henry. Maybe you pissed off some more campers and they came back to sucker punch you.
Non.
There are people listening to our conversations. The person or these people were hiding in the bushes down here. What the fuck, Dee?
I don't know, Henry. This sounds crazy.
Yeah, and you're not the one who just saw our words on a clipboard out in the middle of nowhere.
Ça craint un peu quand même.
Those words were from 2 weeks ago.
I know they were. So what's to say that they don't have transcripts from 3, 4, or 5 weeks ago?
Our entire relationship, friendship, our whole summer.
C'est ça.
Someone is out here with a walkie-talkie taking notes and talking to God knows who.
The fuck. On ferait mieux de partir. Qu'est-ce qui se passe derrière cette clôture?
I'll hike out there and get some answers.
Great. Just keep a clear head. Don't, do anything crazy.
Like taking a job in the middle of nowhere with literally no escape from whatever or whoever is out there?
Well, I meant, kill anybody.
You got it, boss.
Attendez 2 secondes, il y a le chat qui va sortir.
I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you. And I think to myself,
Aïe. C'est important, Bob, que tu coupes ce passage parce que je suis dans un caleçon. Il risque d'arriver des choses un peu intéressantes en fait, si les gens voient ça. OMG, j'espère que je ne peux pas oublier.
I'm hiking through the canyon. Which way is my best bet for getting to Wapiti Meadow?
It looks like you can find a trail on the north shore of Jonesy Lake, towards the west.
Thanks, Dee.
Ouais, ils sont passés de Delilah à Dee. En même temps, c'est normal. Après tout ce temps, passer ensemble. En fait, c'est même pas passer ensemble, c'est juste parler ensemble. Parce qu'ils sont jamais réellement vus en fait. Ils communiquent uniquement par... c'est un peu comme quand on rencontre des gens sur Internet, en fait. On leur parle tout le temps, on discute avec eux, et en fait, on se lie d'amitié avec une personne, mais sans vraiment la connaître. Enfin, sans vraiment l'avoir rencontrée. Ce qui est génial parfois, c'est que même si tu rencontres des gens comme ça, de cette façon un peu bizarre, malgré tout, c'est un peu 2016 quand même. Ce sont des vrais amis la plupart du temps.
Has anything strange been happening on your end?
No, nothing really.
Nothing really or nothing?
Nothing. My door was open the other night, but that's not strange.
That doesn't sound like nothing.
It's nothing, I promise. Keep your radio close to you.
Comme d'habitude.
Hey, what you just said, keep my radio close to me.
Yeah?
Before I got attacked back at the lake, I saw a radio on the ground, kind of like the one I use.
And?
Do you think that maybe someone was,
I don't know. What?
maybe intercepting our frequency with other radios or something?
Henry,
It's just a thought.
C'est vrai.
I don't even know how you would do that.
Yeah, well, you sound worried.
No, I'm not. Okay, let's not spin out of control. Just keep hiking.
Ah, ok, d'accord, c'est ce que
Whatever
je vais
you
faire.
say, boss.
Pas de soucis, boss. C'est ce que je vais faire, boss. Ouh.
Whoa, the flapjack fire isn't going anywhere, huh?
No, that's why those guys came out to burn that line. It's at the stage where all we can do is pay attention to it.
They're not gonna try to put it out?
Not yet, apparently.
Marche comment ça en fait? Il y a un incendie et ils font rien? Bon, je suis arrivé à la clôture, je fais quoi maintenant? Il y a des chances que je me sois vraiment perdu et que je devais pas du tout venir par ici. Et que en fait je sois juste en train de backtracker et de revenir exactement à l'endroit où j'étais au départ. Ce qui, en fait, au lieu de prendre à droite, j'ai pris à gauche ou un truc du genre, tu vois. C'est une de ces conneries là, je suis sûr. J'en sais rien en fait. Mais là ça fonctionne. Tu vois? Wapiti Station, je dois aller juste ici. En fait les gars, figurez-vous que lorsque je coupe DxTory, quand j'ai coupé DxTory, la carte s'est réaffichée. Donc c'est un problème, je suppose, de logiciel de capture. Je sais pas comment trop vous le dire. Mais bon bref, quoi qu'il en soit, quoi qu'il en soit, je devais aller exactement à l'endroit où j'étais. C'est-à-dire que je suis venu juste ici, pour rien. Je suis parti à la clôture, directement de moi-même, alors que je devais pas aller jusqu'à là-bas. C'est dingue, hein? Je suis jamais venu ici, en fait, si. Ah, putain, oui, c'est vrai, ce truc-là, bordel, j'avais totalement oublié. Wow, le détour que j'ai fait, quoi, vous imaginez même pas. Je préfère même pas vous dire. Ça a duré plus de temps que nécessaire, en fait. The fuck? En tout cas, j'aime beaucoup la musique, franchement, ça c'est un truc. J'ai téléchargé l'OST avec quand j'ai acheté le jeu. Ça va me permettre en fait de... Ah, il me faut un couteau. Ça va me permettre de la réécouter en fait plus tard parce que là c'est vraiment top. Hein. Je vais donc en fait récupérer un couteau quelque part et essayer de découvrir qui nous espionne.
Alright, I'm here. Looks like goddamn Area 51.
Maybe they've got aliens. That'd be exciting.
Yeah, we'll see about that. Okay, I'm at the fence. I don't see anyone around, but I'm not sure I can get past it.
How big is it?
Big. It goes off in both directions. Acres.
But what the fuck is going on out here?
Whatever it is, someone doesn't want anyone to know about it.
Sometimes biologists will cordon off a little area to study flora or whatever, but that's only a few square feet usually.
That's not what this is.
We'll see what you can do to get past it.
Je vais utiliser ce caillou.
And what are the odds they left the gate unlocked?
Pretty low, I'd imagine.
Je vais utiliser ce caillou sur la serrure. Ok.
Look, I'm not gonna be able to get into this place.
Shit.
I don't know how long I can dick around out here until someone notices.
God, if you were an actual firefighter, you'd have that gate down in 2 shakes. Hey, actually, those guys doing the controlled burn, they might be able to help.
Where are they?
Beyond Ruby River, there's a scout camp. They burned a line a few days ago that should let you hike right to them.
Well, that's great.
If they haven't left, they're probably the type of guys who would help you get through that fence.
Ok. Je suis ici. Et elle veut que j'aille chercher les feux contrôlés au sud de la Ruby Rivière. Alors, la Ruby Rivière, elle est ici. Ah! Ah! OMG! Mais comment je fais pour aller là-bas, moi? Il y a même pas de chemin pour aller là-bas. God damn it, people, vous êtes sérieux? Il y a pas un moyen de... Ah, peut-être... Peut-être à la roue de la fortune, là. Ah, bordel. Bon. Bah, écoutez, bah, je suppose que... Ah, bordel. Non, mais ça va être super long, quoi. Faut que je retourne loin, là-bas. Ils sont pas sérieux. Est-ce qu'il y a moyen qu'il y ait une cinématique qui me montre en train de marcher ou un truc du genre? Je sais pas, d'un montage coloré avec de la bonne musique.
I know we don't know what's going on yet, but I don't have a good feeling. I don't like feeling vulnerable. It's not like you can just call the police. I was thinking about the Goodwins. It just struck me that
Ah, j'étais sûr.
weird like this happened to them, happened to Brian. Just how scared he would have been.
He had his dad to protect him. Ned, right?
Yeah.
You don't think he could?
No, you're probably right.
It was 3 years ago. He's in high school now. He's on summer break.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
I found where they did the controlled burn. I can hike right through here now.
Yeah, normally they wouldn't do that so close to a body of water, but I think they're extra worried about a fire jumping the river and burning up to 2 forks, now that there's someone in it.
Well, I'm extra appreciative of that.
Let's see. The scout camp is southeast of the river. There should be a pond on the way.
Got it. What happens if a controlled burn gets out of control?
Someone gets fired.
Ha 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 ha. J'ai pas le temps de répondre.
Ugh, are you serious?
Oh, come on. That one was an honest accident. I'm not even in the mood for wordplay. That's how wound up all this shit has me.
Parce que fired en anglais, ça veut dire virer, mais c'est un jeu de mots avec le mot feu, tu vois. C'est ça qui était marrant. Donc, en fait, je dois aller où concrètement? Alors, ouais, tout ça, ça a été brûlé. Fire break, ok. Et il suffit juste que je traverse et que je continue tout droit, en fait. C'est ça, on va appeler ça un jeu d'orientation. Parce que concrètement, c'est vraiment ce que c'est, en fait. T'arrives à te repérer, mec, t'arrives à jouer. Sinon, t'es dans la merde. Pourquoi il y a un ski, là? Trouver Big Tree. Bah maintenant que j'ai la carte, je l'utilise tout le temps, hein, t'as vu? Je peux pas aller là-bas de toute façon, donc c'est forcément là. Par contre, elle a dit qu'il y avait beaucoup de cavernes. Moi, j'en ai trouvé qu'une seule, et qui était fermée. Donc c'est plutôt inquiétant, j'ai envie de dire. Ou alors elle m'a menti, tu vois. Mais non, Dee n'aurait jamais essayé de me mentir quand même. Si? Ah, non, ça sert à rien, hein. On la connaît pas si tant que ça, en fait. Ce n'est qu'une voix à la radio pour nous. Il y a des jet skis et tout? What the fuck? Et quoi, c'est super enneigé ici ou quoi?
There's some old snowmobiles out here.
That's crazy.
Looks like one of the poor bastards was cruising across this pond and dumped it.
That was not a fun hike back to civilization.
There's an old pond out here, not much more than a pile of mud. Do you have it on your map?
Yeah, I know where you are.
Yeah, where am I?
Pork Pond. There used to be a sign up for it, but, well, folks kept stealing it.
Pork Pound, d'accord.
Because it's called Pork Pond.
It's a good goddamn name. That sign would look great in a den, or, you know, anywhere.
Je vois que ton sens de l'humour n'est toujours pas mort, Delilah. Delilah! Comment je prononce son nom, moi? Oh.
The bridge to the camp is out.
Damn.
I'm gonna walk the ravine and see if I can find some high ground to get across.
Good plan.
Pourrait sauter, hein? C'est pas si loin, hein? Pourrait tenter, non? Moi, je trouve que c'est une bonne idée d'essayer. C'est juste trop heureux, mec. Ah, on peut sauter par là, tiens. Ok, let's go. Attention, mec. Hop.
I think I would have gotten strong enough to climb back up some of these drop-offs, but here I am, stuck.
Yeah, well, we've all got our limits, Henry.
Ouais. C'est un vieux camp indien, mais il est totalement défoncé, ce camp.
I'm at the camp.
Great. Have a look around. If anyone's still there, they might be able to help.
I'm gonna sound crazy.
Maybe you just ask them to help you get inside the fence. If I didn't know it was out there, they probably don't either.
Ok, d'accord.
This place looks dead, but I'll see what I can find. You ever talked to any of the scouts?
No, they haven't been out here in a while, and I generally don't have a lot to say to preteens.
Oh, il y a une hache
Unless
là-bas.
it's Brian Goodwin.
Well, if forced, I mean, I can make conversation with anyone. Plus, it was sort of fun to hear about all of his nerdy hobbies.
What type of nerdy hobbies are we talking about with him? Like a marching band?
Oh, no. Like comics, model rockets, wizards and wyverns, you know.
Ugh.
Hey, thanks to Brian, I can almost recall by memory the armor classes of most dragons.
The what? No, you can't.
Hey, planar dragon's armor class. Let's see.
Okay, no, I believe you. We're good. We're good.
Oh, bordel. Alors, j'ai trouvé un piège à ours.
Bear traps out here in the scout shelters.
Scouts are stalwart prey.
That's messed up. I guess these little shelters are where they keep the Weeblos.
For the past 35 years, yeah.
Ouais, c'est un peu abandonné si tu veux mon avis quand même, hein.
Yeah, these guys are gone. I found where they were sitting around before getting picked up.
Damn.
I found an axe.
If one of the crew left it, that thing is actually called a Pulaski.
It
Pulaski.
looks like an axe to me. This thing will be a huge help.
For both getting through the backcountry and getting through that fence.
Exactement.
Hey, Dee, they left something behind. It's like a memo from their boss.
Did it say anything of note?
Next few days, dropping into the thoroughfare on behalf of Dr. Simmons at Wapiti Station.
Station.
Holy crap.
Keep reading.
Ah, merde.
Just thought I would maybe, stop there, let the mystery percolate.
My mother always said I would need someone to
J'ai rangé le truc.
down medicine.
They're running a research site out there. He was worried about wildfires.
Someone is writing down our conversations. And now we find out there's a research site out here that we don't know about? What are they researching?
Nous?
Us. They're researching us.
You think they're studying you and me?
I do. Yeah. I mean, maybe it's about studying two strangers who talk every day.
Like, if you put someone in isolation with someone else, what they do.
Yeah, that's what I think.
Well, fuck that.
Agreed.
I think we should allow for the possibility that this is all just a big misunderstanding, but... God, if you saw what you said you did... Fuck, Henry.
Yeah, I saw it.
Okay. So what's next?
Well, I've got an axe, so I can figure out a way to get over the ravine and back towards the site.
Sounds good. Check in when you can, and keep an eye out for anyone following you.
Ok.
I found a little trowel. Maybe I should take it with me. Use it to pop open beers.
Wow. 99% sure that's for burying poop.
I am gonna leave it here.
Ok. Ok, on va laisser le papier de toilette aussi. Ok, très bien. Donc on va éviter d'ouvrir des bières avec une truelle qui a servi, on va dire, à enterrer la merde. Et toi, tu vas casser d'ici, alors que techniquement, on n'a pas vraiment besoin de faire ça. Hein, c'est juste qu'il avait envie d'utiliser sa nouvelle hache. Quel que soit le nom qu'elle a pu employer tout à l'heure. Un prolique? Non, je sais plus comment elle a dit. On peut partir là? Non! Un mur invisible! Ah, je suis choqué. Le jeu avait fait un bon boulot pour ne montrer aucun mur invisible depuis le début. Et là, bim! Mur invisible dans ta gueule. Allez! Timber! C'est comme ça qu'on fait. Allez, traverse ça. Ouh. Il avait l'air un peu maladroit sur le bord, mais tout va bien. Attendez. Mais, il y a un petit souci. Il n'y avait pas un cache quelque part? Pork Pond? Scout? Nope. Nope, nope, nope. Ah si, il y en a un ici, juste ici. Il faut que j'aille le voir. Je sais pas si je l'ai pris, du coup. Non, j'ai pris celui qui était de l'autre côté. Il faut que j'aille voir le cache 307. Il doit avoir des petits trucs dedans et tout. Peut-être la fin de l'histoire avec Ned et Ron. On sait rien.
I had a thought.
Quoi?
Let's hear it.
You heard someone in the bushes.
Ouais.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's assume we're being tailed. Or you are, at least. Where are you right now?
Oh, qu'en scout.
Just on my way back, in and out of trees in the middle of nowhere.
Do you see anybody?
No, definitely not.
All right, so tell me what you think of this. Did you just cough?
Non.
No. Did you just cough?
No.
Oh,
Fuck.
there isn't any way someone, like another lookout, could be on this line, is there?
No. Not without tapping our radios. Get in your tower, shut the door. Don't leave and don't use your radio. I'll call you. Understand? I will call you.
Que de mystère. Ça craint du boudin, j'ai envie de vous dire. Ouh. Ok.
Thoroughfare Tower, this is Two Forks calling you for the, 50th time today.
Ou pas.
The Flapjack Fire continues to move in a southerly fashion. Delilah, for
Ah,
fuck's sake,
il a enlevé sa
answer
bague,
your
vous avez vu?
radio.
Hello, sunshine. Sorry, went out for a little bit. What can I do you for?
Are you kidding right now? Did you not stay up all night knowing that someone is...
I actually slept just great.
Okay.
By the way, I was wondering if your Flora of the Shoshone info poster was still up inside your tower?
What?
What?
It's just protocol that those stay up. You know, info about your tower, the surrounding tree species, etc.
All right.
Just, you know, have a look at it. Make sure it's in ship shape.
La fiche de Flore, elle était où concrètement? Ah, elle est là.
Okay, yeah, it's up. Why are you acting like this?
Great. Just wonderful. Do you see the tree in the top row, second from the left?
Ouais.
Sure. It's the,
No. You don't need to tell me. Just, internalize it.
peut
It's
plier,
a
feuille
great
étroite.
tree. And there's an area called, that tree's name in your sector that maybe you should take a midday hike to. Maybe.
Ok.
yeah, okay. Maybe I should go for a
Je
hike.
vais me balader alors.
Nothing like an afternoon in the Rockies, I tell ya. Radio me the moment you get there.
Ok, très bien.
Which tree am I supposed to internalize again?
Top row, second from the left.
Ok.
Head to a place named after that tree, and you'll have a wonderful afternoon.
Ouh, ah, j'en ai... Oh, du beurre de cacahuète. Oh, du beurre de cacahuète. On va le remettre là-bas. Tranquille. Et ça, c'est des canettes de café. Ok, très bien. Ben, on va sortir d'ici, hein. Et on va aller voir cet arbre. Ce magnifique arbre. Il nous demande de regarder. Holy fuck. Ça fait peur, en fait, hein, quand même. Hein. Tu vois un incendie qui s'approche. Toi, tu dors tous les soirs en le regardant. Je trouve ça plutôt inquiétant. Il faudrait que j'espère que j'ai encore ma carte. Attends. Des fois qu'elle marche plus. Aller à Cottonwood Creek. Cottonwood. Je dois retourner en bas, en fait. Je dois retourner à l'endroit où j'étais. Hein. Parce qu'en fait, le jeu, il trouve ça marrant que je dois retourner à cet endroit-là. Alors que ça a pris 20 ans pour y aller. Parce que j'arrive pas à me repérer dans cet endroit de merde. Bordel de... Fuck. Je crois que j'y suis. Ouais. Je crois que j'y suis arrivé. Bah, je sais pas trop où je suis, mais... Il y a possibilité que c'est bon. Wouh! Un petit barrage de castor et tout. Et ça, c'était le truc que je voulais ouvrir avant que la cinématique m'empêche de faire quoi que ce soit. Très bien. Voilà. On va prendre ce message. Si seulement les autorités pouvaient nous obtenir des radios moins à chier, en général je me tiens à l'écriture. Mais ça serait chouette de pouvoir te joindre directement de temps en temps. Ma sœur arrête pas de me laisser des messages en bureau principal, mais je crois qu'elle n'a pas compris que j'avais accepté ce poste pour lui mener un peu d'elle et de ma mère. Ça fait un petit moment que je suis là à réfléchir à quoi lui dire, mais j'ai surtout descendu un quart de ma bouteille de tif. Tu me manques, Dave. Dave? T'as laissé du PQ et plein de livres. D'accord. Très bien.
I'm here at Cottonwood Creek.
You see the cash box there?
Must be around here somewhere.
It is. Find it and open it. I changed the code. It's 5678.
Are you
Fuck.
kidding me?
I was in a rush.
T'as vu que t'es venu ici? Oh. Oh.
I've got it now.
Good. I spent all day getting you that radio. I hiked to a cash box, lied to a ranger, lied to another ranger, and hopefully you are now holding a clean, untapped radio.
Ok.
Hopefully.
Holy fuck, Henry, we have to get into that site.
Ouais.
What the fuck is going on? People are listening to us?
I don't know.
Our radios are tapped? Are you fucking serious?
Our radios are definitely tapped. That's why I left you the one you just got.
How is this even possible?
I don't know, Henry.
What do you know?
I know that I'm scared.
Oh.
None of it makes any sense.
Are there any other lookouts this is happening to? Someone else in on this? Anyone?
This is just happening to us. Everyone else is fine.
Are you sure?
Yes. I've tried to bring it up to Chimney Rock, Elks Fork, and Beartooth Lookout, and every one of them got confused. Asked me if I'm okay and if I need to be relieved.
Ooh.
Our fucking state coordinator asked if I was just having lady troubles.
Oh, fuck.
So no, this isn't happening to anyone else, and I'm done asking.
Look, I'm headed back to the gate, and now that I've got an axe, we'll know something soon.
Je vais pouvoir l'ouvrir facilement, je pense.
You need to get into that site. Call me when you find something.
Ok, pas de souci. Ça va pas être simple, mais je suppose que je vais devoir y arriver d'une manière ou d'une autre. Il faut que donc je retourne tout en haut, là-haut. Hein? Parce que c'est facile. Parce que j'arrive à me repérer facilement dans ce jeu, n'est-ce pas? Donc, petit montage. Let's go!
Hey, I just thought of something not great.
What is it?
I filed a report that said that neither of us ever talked to or saw those girls, the ones that went missing a few weeks back.
What? Why would you do that? I told you to say the minimum and just keep it vague.
I know, and I didn't. I just didn't want to be hassled.
And now someone probably has a transcript of that entire conversation.
And I've filed a report that's a blatant lie.
Oh, and those girls are still missing.
Yep.
Fuck, Delilah.
Fuck indeed. We really need to get to the bottom of this.
Eh mec, le type n'a pas récupéré ses affaires, alors j'ai verrouillé son poste d'observation et j'ai mis ces trucs dans la boîte. Je trouvais une de ces bars que tu aimes, je dois faire un tour dans le parc et on va s'en remettre une bonne à mon tour. Et on y est! Let's go! Woo!
I smashed open the gate. Should I try to fix or hide this?
No, screw it.
Okay then.
Ow! Si vous essayez de joindre Dr Simmons, il sera sur site le 15 au 15 octobre. Du 15 août au 15 octobre, l'équipement de l'université est sous la responsabilité du Dr Johnson. L'équipement du gouvernement est sous la supervision du Ducat Ferdinand. N'oubliez pas que la zone est contrôlée et qu'il faut signaler immédiatement tout problème, dysfonctionnement ou infraction.
I got stung by a bee.
Okay. Is that it?
Yeah.
Did it hurt?
Yes, kind of.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Oh. Genre en mode... ouais, tu t'es fait piquer une abeille, et alors? Rien à foutre. C'est plus inquiétant ce qui se passe ici, n'est-ce pas? En tout cas les amis, ce mystère s'épaissit de plus en plus. Je vais vous laisser ici, je sais pas combien de temps dure l'épisode parce que en fait j'ai eu beaucoup de problèmes sur l'enregistrement, donc je verrai bien au final. Normalement ça devrait durer comme d'habitude, mais s'il est un peu plus court, oups. Mais moi j'ai joué plus longtemps que d'habitude. Quoi qu'il en soit les amis, n'hésitez pas à laisser un pouce bleu, partagez avec vos amis, abonnez-vous à la chaîne, et nous on se retrouvera donc dans le prochain épisode. Gros bisous partout, c'est Ross out.